What's up? What's going on, guys? Hoping you're doing fine like I am here. So today I'll be showing you my makeup kit and everything I put in it. I don't know why today is so hot, but yeah, I'll be showing you everything I put in my makeup kit. This is my makeup kit. I know it's too small really because there is not so much makeup inside here. I'll just show you what every girl needs to have, you know. Yeah, so these are products that are so affordable. I'll be giving you the price, and this is not a sponsored video because most people when they see, you know, products, they think it's sponsored, but no, these are things that I love to use, things that I've always been using and they work for me. So yeah, I wish it was sponsored, but no, girl, no. So without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. The first thing in my makeup kit is this pro concealer. It's a sleek pro concealer. I love it. I know it's a skin tone lighter or 2 skin tones lighter, so let me give you a tip. If you want to buy a concealer, you know, this is what I conceal under my eyes with. This one, once I apply the eye pencil, but for now I don't have any eye pencil. My eyebrows look natural. So if you want to buy a pro concealer for down below your eyebrows, you have to buy a shade lighter than you, okay? Yeah, because if you buy the same skin tone, you know, it won't have any work. Yeah. So yeah, and another thing, oh, I forgot to say, I bought this one at Naivas. It has a price tag. Actually, I've never removed it. It went for 220 Kenya shillings, so it's affordable. That's $2. The next thing I use is this foundation. This is a Maybelline Fit Me. I love the Fit Me products. I discovered these ones from Rosina Sharon's channel. I know almost every person who loves makeup, who loves these things, you know, Rosina's channel. That's where I discovered them, and they do work. And though it's hot here, it's too sunny, the sun is too much, but they last long on the face. And the good thing is that they conceal all the marks. I know you can see some rashes because I don't know why my face has been breaking out, but this Fit Me has concealed all the spots on the face, so it's a good one. It conceals your spots, and for me, I use number 362. I bought this one on Jumia. It went for, I think, 780 shillings or something. They usually have an offer, and if you want to buy originals, just go to Jumia. And then I use a Fit Me powder also because they do wonders. They work so good for me, so I love them. If you've not tried, please try, but make sure you know your number, your skin tone number, because you don't look like a ghost out here. And if you want to know original products, they should have an expiry date like this one. So if it doesn't have an expiry date, that one is a counterfeit. Please run for your life. Another thing I use is this brush here. This brush is for my eyebrows. I love this brush, although it's not really clean, but you can also use this side to conceal here down, although I don't use it because it's too thin. But I love this brush. Sijui, it's written elf or something. Yeah, it really works for me. Another thing I have here, this is my concealer brush. This is what I use to conceal down below, but I know it's dirty and it's getting spoiled, so I will need another one very soon. I bought these brushes at Jumia. There were 5 of them and they were going for 500 and something. Of course, cheap is expensive because right now this is the only alive one, and as you can see, vile imechapa, it is really looking old. It needs a replacement, and yeah, so I'm going to replace it. But this is my concealer brush. Another thing is this eye pencils. Oops, where is the kifuniko? These are Davis eye pencils. I love using Davis eye pencils. They go for 30 shillings, I think so. And these are both number 18s. I don't even know why I have two. And also, I'm not really a fan of drawing my eyebrows. I rarely do draw them because most of the time I shave them according to my shape. Like, they're always in shape. I love looking a little bit natural. If you'd want to see how I maintain my eyebrows like this, how I shave them to look natural, you can check that video I did on how to shave your eyebrows, how to look natural. I'll put a link in the description down below, so just check on that video. You'll see how I achieve natural looking eyebrows. I know they look natural, but I've shaved them, you know, but not so much. So go check that video. I have explained so much. Although mine are now growing, they need to be shaved. On that note, I always have this razor blade here. Oh, where is it? I always have a razor blade in my kit, although it's good to keep on replacing it, you know. You can't use one forever, so yeah. Another thing I have is this eye pencil that I don't really understand. It's really thick for me. It's also the Vis number 3. I don't use it. My friends do. That's why it has finished. It's almost finishing. But for me, I have never ever used it. Another thing is this brush. I really love this brush. If there's anything in this kit that is so useful, is this brush. And as you can see, it's very thick. I've been looking for another one like this and I can't find it. So this is the most treasured thing in my kit. And it feels so good, you know, to apply with it, to apply your makeup with it. So if you want a good brush that you can apply powder with it, go to Jumia. You might find it because I bought this on Jumia and I've not found it again, but I'll keep checking. And this one was going for around 250 to 300. I can't remember. I think it was 300 shillings. I can't really remember. And another thing I have is this mascara that I never use. As you can see, my eyes just look natural. And another thing is that when I used it, I felt as if there's something heavy on my eyelids, you know. So I quit. But I need to discover a better mascara. I don't know where I'll get a good mascara. But yeah. Something else is this lipstick. I have so many lipsticks, but I'll just show you two of my favorite. This black opal. The reason why I love it is because of this color and because it stays long. Hey, it can stay long, guys. This is how it looks. It stays the whole day, even if you eat. But anyway, I know these lipsticks, there are so many variety types, so I won't say much about it. My favorite is this one. This is what I have on. And I have eaten lunch. Nimeshinda nayo. I've stayed the whole day. It's still there. So this is my favorite so far. And then I have this baby lips. This is my lip gloss. If you don't want to apply lipstick, especially now because, you know, you're wearing a mask, so I just decided to buy a lip gloss. It really feels good on your lips. You feel, you know, you feel so good. And another thing that made me buy it is because, you know, you just stay natural and everything. I love it. I love it. Love it. And that's it. I've shown you everything, and those are very affordable. By the way, this lip gloss goes for 200 shillings. There's also another similar one, the Nivea lip gloss. I also love it so much. So you can try any of them. They're so good. That's it for my makeup kit, guys, and those are the only products I'm using right now. They are so affordable. I don't use the, you know, eyeshadows because I don't know how I would look with eyeshadows. Even though I have so big eyes, you know. But I've not invested in that. Although I'll maybe try. YouTube has taught me so many things. YouTube has taught me how to apply makeup. Maybe the next thing I want to learn is to apply those eyeshadows. I also don't put on extended eyelashes, but it's a plan. Another thing I want to invest on is this eyeliner. I know I used to apply it, but these days I don't, so I really need to invest on an eyeliner. So yeah guys, and I'm hoping you enjoyed to watch this video, hoping you've gotten products that you can use there. Those are original products at very affordable prices, and you can easily get these products. So if you want, you can try, and just comment down below, tell us what you use in case you use different products. Tell us what works for you, and yeah, until next time, hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye.